iframe. It allows you to embed another web page or URL inside your web page. So in simplest case, we can just pass URL as follows: iframe src is equal to http newyorktimes.com iframe close. So basically it embeds another web page URL. That means it adds another web page URL to your web page. That means web page we are developing or creating. There are many properties we can specify. Example, we can set width and height of the frame. So there are also properties that we can specify. For example, width and height of frame, we can specify that. Here we are setting width and height of frame. iframe src is equal to http nytimes.com. Width is equal to 700, height is equal to 400. So here width is 700, height is 400. Now iframe close. We can also use style attributes to set border. iframe src is equal to http nytimes.com style border 5px dotted red iframe. So this is for style attributes, that is style is equal to border. So this is a type of style. iframe src is equal to http nytimes.com style border 5px solid blue height 500 width 700 iframe close. Body open, header 1 my great header 1 close. P some text for my great web page, P close. HR br is for next line. iframe src is equal to http newyorktimes.com style is equal to border 5px solid blue height 500 width 700 iframe close body close. Forms input. The form tag allows you to create an input from to do things like collect names, email address, and so on. So form tag allows you to create an input from to do things. That means it creates input or it takes input. Everything that appears on form is enclosed between opening and closing tags. Form open, your stuff here, form close. So form is used for taking input from user. For example, we can create input text boxes to let user type in their city and state. Form open city, then br, that is br is for next line. Input type text, name is equal to city, br is for next line, state br. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to state, form close. Other options allow you to add radio buttons and checkboxes. Using radio buttons as an example, to have the user select gender male or female. Input type radio, name is equal to sex, value is equal to male, checked male. Now input type radio, name sex, value female. We can add a submit button with this line. Input type submit, value is equal to submit. To make something happen when user clicks submit button, we need to write a script to handle submit click action. Form action is equal to myaction.php. So that is for submit button.